Welcome back, recorder players of the world. Woohoo! I hope you're having fun learning this tiny but amazing instrument called the recorder. Portable, convenient, with the plastic, very durable and inexpensive, and yet plays every note there is. Okay, all right, today we are going to learn Dreidel, Dreidel, Dreidel. I have on the screen the video recording that shows the notes, has the rhythm notes, has the fingering here, and I'll also be doing the fingering on the recorder. Okay, what's great about this song, it only uses, I think, 5 notes. That's it. So, and it combines those notes in fun and interesting and rhythmically interesting ways. So let's go through the notes. I'm going to raise myself in my chair. Woo! Up we go. Isn't that fun? Okay. All right. Let's start with, I think, maybe the easiest note, which is an A note. Playing the thumb, covering the hole, and then the 2 fingers in the front. There's my A. G is 3 fingers, and again, I probably want to put this note here to keep it going. I'm going to lower the screen a little bit so you see more of my hand. There's our G, and then we need an F sharp, which is, we're adding these 2 fingers here. We're going to leave this hole open. And then an E note is these 2 fingers with the 3, and a D. There it is. Make sure you're blowing nice and soft, then cover the holes completely to get that low D. All right, we're going to play the video, but I'm going to show you that I've made the video. I've slowed it down. So if you go to our settings spot on the video, if you go to settings here, and if you're not in full screen here, if you're not in full screen, it is right, it's still there, right here, and I'll go back to full screen here, and it's right there, and you can access it and go the speed you want. We are going to start with half speed, so if you go playback speed, I've changed it from normal up to our half speed there, okay? And that's going to enable us to play a little bit better. I've forwarded the video now to about 53 seconds. Actually, I want to bring this back just a tiny bit, maybe about 48 seconds or so to start here today, and we'll play through the notes. All right, here we go. And okay, let's go back and review a few parts of that. And I think with just a little bit of practice, you'll be able to playing this quite well within a short amount of time. All right, let's go forward here a little bit here. And in case you hadn't noticed, if this is what you're playing, this also shows you what's coming. And when it's dark black in this part, what's next is going to be on top. So it's well done here, the video. It really shows you what you're going to be playing. All right, I'm going to fast forward a little bit here to this part, okay? A, F sharp, A, F sharp, A, F sharp. So we have those combos. That's maybe the most difficult thing in the song. We haven't done those notes back and forth, so let's practice that a little bit. So A is here. F sharp adds the 3rd finger in the left hand and these 2 fingers in the right hand. So try that with me, shall we? Starting with A, ready, begin. Let's keep going. Okay, and so A, G, F sharp, E. Let's just do those 4 notes. A, G, F sharp, E. Nice and slow. Okay. One more time, no faster. Ready, go. Good job. Let's continue our video. G, E, G, E, G, E. Okay, so let's do those 2 notes, G, and then E, which is these 2 fingers, adding it there. Let's try that together. G, E, G, E, G, E. Ready, go. Okay, and then it's going to finish with a walk down. A, G, F sharp, E, D. Okay, A, G, F sharp, E, D. Let's do those 5 notes. Sorry about that, my hands were in the wrong place. One more time, starting with the A. Ready, begin. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Okay, let's see what it continues, what it does. Okay, and that's pretty much it. So that's half speed. Okay, and I think that will probably do it. I will, let me back it up one more time and we'll try it together at 3/4 speed. I'm gonna go up to about 50 seconds again, and this time I'm gonna speed it up to 3/4 speed. We'll do it one time and we'll call it done for today. All right, 3/4 speed here at about 50 seconds, and here we go. And there it is. Good, good, good. So good work today. I'm sliding back down. You ready? Woo! Oh yeah, how fun is that? Okay, let me just up and down on my chair. If I just get electric, woo, it'd be like a ride at a theme park. Okay, have a great week making music, and I'll post both the original video and this video on it as well. Have a great week making music, and take care of each other. Stay well, and have a great week.